When I first received an email about Vvivid Vinyl's new product, ColorFusion, my curiosity went from 0 to 60 in no time. I zoomed over to their website and found CK Rap's video about the world's first colored PPF. By the end of the video, I knew I had to check this product myself. I called my good friend and said, hey, how about we give your Range Rover SVR a makeover with this new product, ColorFusion. I explained what the ColorFusion was, and my friend basically agreed to experiment on his SVR. And so my adventure began. Little did I know, this experiment would not only transform my friend's Range Rover into a car that now turns heads, but also redefine my expectation on the car wraps. want to say it was an absolute pleasure and incredible experience working with Vvivid ColorFusion PPF. The process was so much fun and the results were fantastic. A huge shout out to my friend for trusting me his beautiful SVR. I have a full video on the entire wrapping process, which is over an hour long. If there is interest, I'd be thrilled to upload it to my channel so you can see every step. Thanks for watching and I can't wait to catch you in the next video.